For our survey accessory system, one point fits all. We offer also an adapter with DB15 threaded post for anchor sleeves. Anchor sleeves are often used on construction site, and now you have the option to use all these anchor sleeves as reference points for days, weeks or months. If you don't need this reference point anymore, you just take off the adapter and now you can use it on the next anchor sleeve. We offer also an adapter with a longer DB15 threaded post. This usually we use on spray concrete or we use them in tunnel. Therefore you have to drill an 80mm hole and now you can glue them in and you can use them for a long time. Very useful because now you can use them with prisms, you can use them with scanner targets, and you can use them with mobile mapping targets or slam targets, whatever we offer in that tilting height.